Hi, you ready?
Yeah.
Dude, I can't see you. Damn freaking hair. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Ready, Donna?
Yes, we're ready.
Yo, sexy man, are you ready?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Jan, you ready? Woo!
I'm so sweaty.
Jen and her freaking 2 bags again. What's up with that?
Cause
It's not like you brought vodka for me.
you need 2 bags, not
She
one.
freaking have 2 bags,
Yeah, 2.
but none of them have alcohol. Come on, Kai.
Oh,
How can you see with that freaking hair, dude?
I'm built different.
That's tunnel vision.
We need our ice cold beer after this.
I'm gonna drink 10.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they're delicious.
It's a superfood, I think.
Good. Donna.
Good.
Good. Mm-hmm.
Best apple ever.
Jealous?
Yeah.
It is really good. I got it. I got it. I got it.
You know, you can't take the trail or the river either.
Yeah, just sweaty as fuck. Middle of nowhere.
Whee, look at this.
I wait till you guys figure it out.
Here, Donna. For you, my love.
Thank you.
Look at that sweat. Woo-hoo. Show me 6-pack, boy. Come on. There. Oh, flex. Flex. Yeah. There we go. Now keep going.
That's exclusive.
10 more
content.
miles. We did it, ladies. Yee-hee.
Like walk past and I'm like, this is
We did it, guys.
sketch. I don't remember it.
Good job.
Cansado.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
All right, all right.
Good job, girlfriend.